For my primer coat, I'm going to use this Rust-Oleum Rust Reformer. And honestly, I probably could have sprayed this right over this as it was without doing everything I just did. But I think doing that is going to be an extra step that's going to make this last a lot longer. This claims to be able to go right over rust and turn it into a nice sealed paintable surface, and it will prevent rust in the future. So I think this is going to be good, and then I'll paint over that. This is black. I am actually going to change these railings to black. The white gets dirty so quick, and if it does rust, it looks terrible. I don't think it'll look as bad with black. But since this is a spray, I'm going to be very careful and mask off everything that I don't want black paint on, and it is a little windy, so wish me luck. We'll see how it goes. Okay, now I'm gonna go around, now that I got a coat on everything, and you can see like spots like this. There's a little bit of a miss, and this is a little light right here, and there's a big miss right here. So I'll just go around the whole thing, put a nice light coat all around. This is looking good though. I like it. I like this so much better than when it was white. Actually, this is the same kind of sheen as the paint I was gonna use, and you can use it as a finish coat, so I'm just gonna do that. I used up the can, and it's nice and even. It's got plenty of paint on it, or rust reformer. But if you did want to top coat it, you need to wait 24 hours to let it cure, and then I'd take 150 grit sanding sponge, sand this down, and then put your top coat on. But I'm happy with that. I think that looks way better than the white. Now my only issue is I can't decide if I really do want to paint this black or paint it white. What do you think? Leave a comment below. What's your opinion?